Hey everyone, welcome back to the another part of this series. In previous, I explained about some metals and Thier uses like gold, silver, and mercury. So we are going to continue this series. In this part, let's start it. In this series, our first metal is lead. Lead is a chemical element with the symbol Pb and atomic number 82. It is a heavy metal that is denser than most common materials. Lead is soft and malleable, and also has a relatively low melting point. When freshly cut, lead is a shiny gray with a hint of blue. It tarnishes to a dull gray color when exposed to air. Lead is used for batteries, radiation shielding, ammunition, building construction, weight, and stained glass, although its use is limited due to its toxicity. Our second metal is zinc. Zinc is a chemical element with the symbol Zn and atomic number 30. Zinc is a slightly brittle metal at room temperature and has a shiny grayish. Zinc is used for galvanizing, alloy production, construction, batteries, and as a dietary supplement due to its corrosion resistance, durability, and ability to form alloys. Iron is a chemical element with symbol Fe and atomic number 26. It is a metal that belongs to the first transition series and group 8 of the periodic table. It is, by mass, the most common element on Earth, just ahead of oxygen, forming much of Earth's outer and inner core. The fourth product is steel. Steel is an alloy of iron and carbon with improved strength and fracture resistance compared to other forms of iron. Many other elements may be present or added. Steel is used for construction, manufacturing, transportation, energy, and packaging due to its strength, durability, and versatility. Fifth product is sodium. Sodium is a chemical element with the symbol Na and atomic number 11. It is a soft, silvery white, highly reactive metal. Sodium is an alkali metal, being in group 1 of the periodic table. Its only stable isotope is Na. The free metal does not occur in nature and must be prepared from compounds. Sodium is used for chemical production, food industry, pharmaceuticals, energy, and metallurgy due to its reactivity and unique properties. Sixth product is sulfur. Sulfur is a chemical element with the symbol S and atomic number 16. It is abundant, multivalent, and nonmetallic. Under normal conditions, sulfur atoms form cyclic octatomic molecules with a chemical formula S. Elemental sulfur is a bright yellow crystalline solid at room temperature. Sulfur is used for fertilizers, chemical production, petroleum refining, pharmaceuticals, and pesticides due to its unique chemical properties. And the last product is bronze. Bronze is an alloy consisting primarily of copper, commonly with about 12-12.5 tin and often with the addition of other metals and sometimes non-metals, such as phosphorus, or metalloids such as arsenic or silicon. Bronze is used for sculptures, bearings, musical instruments, coinage, and construction due to its strength, durability, and unique properties. Thanks for watching our video. Hope you liked this at all. Stay tuned with me for another video.